Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, in this learning video, we will discuss the perimeter and area of squares, rectangle, and triangle, as well as the relationship between squares and square root. Okay, before we start the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Reski Putri from Mathematics Education Fakulty Tarbiyah and Teaching UIN Sustaryau. The supporting lecturer is Mr. Dr. Habib Saleh. Now, let's start the discussion. We will start with the definition of a surrounding flat shape. Surrounding flat shape is the perimeter of a flat shape is the sum of the length of all the sides surrounding the flat shape. Number 1, we talk about perimeter of a square. The perimeter of a square is equal to the sum of the length of its four sides. Remember, all sides of a square have the same length. The perimeter of a square can be calculated using the following formula. Perimeter is S times S times S times S equals 4S, with S is length of the side of the square. For example, calculate the perimeter of a square that has a side of 8 cm. The solution is circumference equals 4 times S equals 4 times 8. So, the perimeter of the square is 32 cm. Number 2, we talk about perimeter of rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is equals to the sum of the length of its four sides. Remember, sides of a rectangle have a same length. The perimeter of a rectangle can be calculated using the formula. Perimeter is P plus L plus P plus L equals 2P plus 2L equals 2 bracket P plus L. From example, calculate the perimeter of the following rectangle. The picture of a rectangle on the left. So, the solution is circumference equal 2 bracket P plus L equal 2 bracket 10 plus 8 equals 2 bracket 18 equals 36. So, the perimeter of the rectangle is 36 cm. Number 3, we talk about perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of length of its three sides. The formula from calculating the perimeter of a triangle is as following. Perimeter is A plus B plus C, where A, B, and C are the length of each side of the triangle. Example, calculate the perimeter of the following triangle. The picture of the triangle on the left. So, the solution is circumference equals A plus B plus C equals 8 plus 8 plus 5 equals 21 cm. So, the perimeter of the triangle is 21 cm. Now, get into two area of flat shape. The definition are the area of a flat shape is the size of the area bounded by the sides of the flat shape. Now we talk about area of a square. The formula area of a square is area equals side times side equals side square, with S is side plane of the square. For example, calculate the area of the following square on the picture. The solution is area is side times side equals 8 times 8 equals 64 centimeter square. So the area of the square is 64 centimeter square. B. We talk about area of a rectangle. The formula of area of a rectangle is area equals P times L, with P length of the rectangle and L within of the rectangle long. For example, calculate the area of the following rectangle on the picture. The solution area is P times L equal 12 times 8 equals 96 centimeter square. So the area of the rectangle is 96 centimeter square. C. We talk about area of a triangle. The formula area of a rectangle is area is a half times A times T, with A is base length and T height of the triangle. From example, calculate the area of the following triangle on the picture. The solution area is a half times A times T equals a half times 5 times 12 equals 60 centimeter square. So the area of the triangle is 60 centimeter square. Last, we talk about square and square root. The power of 2 is the product of two equal numbers. The square form is also called the quadratic form. The result of the square of a number is called a square number. Example, 12 square equals 12 times 12 equals 144. The number 44 are square number. The square root is the inverse of the square. Square root are also called square roots. Square roots are written using the sign. Example, 6 square equals 36. Written root of 36 equals 6. Okay, that is all about the material. Now, I have a question you need to answer. The question is, a rectangle has a length of 16 cm and a width of 10 cm. So, the perimeter is, you can answer it in column comment.